Yo, what is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. Today we are going to be going to King Mufflers to put on my new Carven exhaust tips, 5-inch. Only reason I'm going, bro, because I do want to mainly do this car by myself. The only reason I'm going is because I ain't got no tools, and I know I need to go get some just to do it. But I want to put these on so bad, and I'm in a hurry to do it just because I'm impatient. So I'm gonna go to them real quick to put it on, but everything else that I get later on, make sure I got a tool set ready to go, toolbox ready to go, so I can do all my installing myself. Now 2 days ago, before I get into the exhaust tips, 2 days ago I did go and get a ceramic coating down at King's Auto Detailing. Shout out to them, but I do recommend them. They are actually really good. They do good car washes, bro. Good work, good engine bay cleaning, good interior detailing, good waxes, good buffs, all that. I do recommend them. I did go get a ceramic coating. No paint correction, just apply only ceramic coating. Here's the car right here. I know you guys probably really can't tell anything, but it looks honestly really good. And they actually had to, well, I washed it before, but they still washed the car before they do the ceramic coating. So their wash was really, really good, honestly. I'm not gonna lie about that too. I kind of seen a little bit of a difference, but you know, I'll be washing it. It don't be too bad. But nah, they're actually really, really, really good. So I do recommend them. Their IG is Kings_Auto Detailing. So shout out to them. All right, so without further ado, let me show y'all these Carven exhaust tips. Today I'm filming on my phone, so I can't flip the camera. It's only me holding it this way. So this how it comes inside the box, wrapped up in paper or plastic. So I say, wrap that for you. Kind of go into the light so y'all can see it a little bit. But these things are nice, bro. I didn't exactly expect. I mean, I did expect them, but they look a lot nicer in person. This is it right here. I love this color that they put. I thought it was gonna be like straight chrome. It's kind of like a burnt. I don't know how you want to say it, but that's on there. So these look really dope, bro. They're big too, bro. Once you see them in person versus your old stock exhaust tips, they're huge. So I see why people was like, oh, I can fit this in this. Yeah, bro. They're definitely big. So now I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start so y'all can get the stock exhaust tips before I go, and then I'll probably do one tomorrow morning or later today once the car's not warmed up anymore, for the new tips. All right, here we go. There y'all go. So we're gonna see what these 5-inch tips look like, sound like. I'm excited, bro. I got so much stuff that I'm gonna do to this car. I'm just trying to get like all the main important stuff, like the stuff you really need to do, like the ceramic coating. I'm gonna go get a ceramic tint before I do any, well, I'm gonna do a ceramic tint and I'm gonna do probably an oil catch can all in one day. So that's gonna be a double little video right there. I'll show y'all how to install that because it's pretty easy. I'm gonna go do a ceramic tint all the way around. Those are what 3 things that you really need: the oil catch can, ceramic coat, and then the tint. And then we gonna get into the car wraps and all that stuff. Man, I got a whole plan for y'all, so y'all stay tuned, bro. It's gonna happen. We gonna make it happen, bro. So welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, follow, comment below what y'all want to see. But I'm gonna go crazy with this one. All right, so I'll see y'all when I get to Kings.
first one out the way. All right. And we're gonna get Carven. I'm gonna give y'all a quick size comparison too right now. So this is the difference, bro. You can see it's a huge difference, literally. Like everybody do. This one can literally fit inside. So we're gonna get this one on here. Now I heard you have the ability to not put it in all the way and kind of have it stick out. So we're gonna see. Yeah, bro, this is nice already. I can tell you that now. It just fills the hole so much. But for some reason, I don't know how they did that one. I don't know how they did that one to make it stick out. All right. This one sticks out just a little bit more. All right, so they're done. Right here, I gotta fix them because this one sticks out just a little bit more. But let me try to fix this real quick and then I'll give y'all a cold start. All done. I'll give you guys a cold start right now.